Kung akala mo tapos na ang laban after college, think again. Graduation is just the prologue. Hindi pa ito ang climax. The real test starts when you step out of the campus gates. Expectations, pressure, and reality will hit you all at once. And here's the catch. Kung saan ka magtatagumpay, depende sa kung paano mo paghahandaan ang ngayon.
You can't have a dream. What are you talking about, dream? I told my mom I wanted to be a comedian. She cried. Why? Why do you want to be a comedian, Joseph? Oh, your aunties are nurses? Your cousins are nurses? Do you see any clowns in this family? I don't. Do you?
Hi, I'm Coach Jay, and welcome to my channel.
Okay, let's go.
Finishing college feels like crossing a marathon finish line. Pero sa totoo lang, it's just the warm-up. Sa Pilipinas, fresh graduates are often pushed to land a job immediately. Kahit minsan hindi tugma sa skills nila. Family expectations, peer comparisons, and the competitive job market create a cocktail of stress. The truth is, graduation is not a guarantee of success. It's the start of navigating a maze filled with challenges, opportunities, and surprises.
Hey buddy, just a quick one. If you like it here, please subscribe and follow me for more videos.
Reality check. Fresh graduates in the Philippines face emotional and psychological pressure from society and family. Maraming kabataan ang nahihirapan dahil sa skills mismatch, high competition, at anxiety during job hunting. Employers demand experience. Pero paano ka magkakaroon ng experience kung wala pang nagbibigay ng chance? That is why ang unang yugto after graduation ay parang roller coaster. Masaya, nakakatakot, at minsan confusing. Expectations are everywhere. First, the pressure to find a job fast. Second, the need to prove yourself sa workplace, kahit kulang ka pa sa exposure. Pangatlo, the reality of low starting salaries, kahit mataas ang tuition na binayad mo. Pang-apat, the comparison game. Kapag ang batchmate mo may trabaho na, ikaw parang naiwan. Pang-lima, the challenge of balancing independence with family obligations. These are the 5 realities na madalas sasalubong sa bagong graduate. But here's the twist. Opportunities exist pag alam mo kung saan hahanapin. Metro Manila cities like Quezon City, Taguig, and Makati offer the highest chances for fresh grads to thrive dahil sa dami ng multinational companies at BPO hubs. Remote work is also booming, giving graduates a chance to earn competitive salaries kahit nasa probinsya. The key is to be strategic. Huwag basta apply ng apply, kundi hanapin kung saan may growth at decent pay. Mag-research ka. Ask around. Advice? First, know yourself. Skills, interests, and career goals. Kung hindi mo kilala ang sarili mo at wala kang pangarap sa buhay, mahirap maghanap ng tamang trabaho. Second, understand your rights. Philippine labor laws protect fresh grads, so dapat alam mo ang basics para hindi ka ma-take advantage. Third, build resilience. Hindi lahat ng rejection ay failure. Minsan stepping stone lang. Trust me, repetition equals mastery. The more interviews you go through, the more you'll get better at it. These 3 pieces of advice are your armor when you step into the real world. Graduation is not the end. It's the beginning of a bigger, messier, but more rewarding journey. Ang tunay na laban ay nasa labas ng classroom. And it depends how prepared you are now, iyon ang magdidikta ng future mo.
It's a great job, great benefits, good money. I'm just saying, it wasn't your dream.
Graduation is a milestone, pero hindi siya guarantee ng success. The pressures are real, the expectations are heavy, and the competition is tough. Pero kung equipped ka with self-awareness, knowledge of your rights, and resilience, you'll thrive kahit saan ka mapunta. The world outside college is unpredictable. Minsan parang jungle, minsan parang desyerto. Pero kung handa ka, you'll find your oasis. Remember, ang diploma ay ticket lang. Ikaw pa rin ang magdedesisyon kung saan ka pupunta. And that's the thought you should carry. Graduation is just the start. The real story begins now.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos.